Hello everyone! This week we are going to continue talking about farm animals and what they produce. For example, do you know where milk comes from? Does it come from the cow or from the chicken? Yeah, the milk comes from the cow. Good job. What about eggs? Where do eggs come from? Do they come from the chicken, the horse, or the duck? Oh, yes. The eggs may come from the chicken or the ducks. That's it. What about honey? Where does honey come from? Does it come from a pig or from a bee? Yes, honey comes from bees. Good job. And what about the sheep? What do the sheep produce? They produce wool. Yes, wool is used to make very warm clothes for us, just like this one. Yes, this is a wool coat. So the sheep produces wool. What about this animal here? Yes, the pig. The pig produces meat, bacon, ham, all these things. Now, I want to know if you got everything right. Here it's the activity. Let's make a line from the animal to what it produces. Let's do it. And besides this, there is a delicious smoothie recipe. This is a smoothie. A smoothie is made out of fruits and milk. Milk is produced by the cow. Yes, let's learn how to make a delicious smoothie. To prepare this delicious smoothie, you need a banana. Let's peel the banana and then cut it into small pieces. Then put the banana in a blender. If you have some frozen fruits, throw them here too. Let's add some yogurt. Yes, strawberry yogurt. After this, we are going to put a cup of milk and beat in a blender. That's it. Your smoothie is ready. Look how delicious. This is it, my friends. Kisses. Bye-bye.